Hi there, welcome to High School Maths. Today we're going to be looking at Pythagoras for short sides. So we've got two examples here that we're going to work our way through. Very similar kind of pattern to, or very similar working to what you saw for finding the hypotenuse using Pythagoras. So we're going to look at question 1, and again we're going to call the first one x for the missing side and y for the missing side here. So here what we've got, remember, the longest side of the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle is the side across from the right angle. That means the 6 here is the longest side, which means we're finding one of the shorter sides. The x is one of the shorter sides. If we look at that, the working looks very similar. And basically all you're doing is a change of subject of the formula. And when you rearrange Pythagoras' formula, you get x squared equals 6 squared, and this is important, bigger number needs to be first because it's the hypotenuse squared minus the other short side squared. So the bigger number always has to come first. That's the hypotenuse. Once you've got that first line, you're just doing exactly the same process as you did before for finding the hypotenuse. Type it into your calculator. So 6 squared minus 4.5 squared. That's 15.75. Bring it down to x, so square root both sides. And then type it into your calculator to get an answer. Round it to 2 decimal places here, 3.97 meters. And that's your work in there. Look how similar that looks compared to the finding the hypotenuse examples. Very, very same working, except you've got a takeaway in the middle instead of an add. Let's have a look at the second example. Here we want to find y. Again, there's the right angle pointing across to this. This is our longest side. The working is y squared equals the longest side squared, the hypotenuse squared, minus one of the shorter sides squared. Now, more difficult numbers, but it's a calculator question, so it doesn't really pose any issues. Type that in and you should get 11.83. Square root both sides and you get your final answer. So square root that answer, we get 3.44 meters. Remember your units in your final answer, keep it neat and complete. Now, again, look at the two answers, look at the way they're structured. Make sure you put those lines of work in. The only difference here is you're subtracting, and then we're going to go ahead and look at some mixed examples and where some are add, some are subtract. But the working is very, very similar. That's how Pythagoras works, and there's lots of really useful applications for that. So, for all maths videos and resources, visit highschoolmaths.co.uk. And if you like the video, click that like button and subscribe. Please remember and share the video. Thanks for watching and have a mathemagical day.